Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. Napoleon macro. Neo market is looking a little bit as if it's under pressure. We're going to go over what I'm seeing. We have a consolidation range, and I just want to go over a few levels for you all. We also have a time frame. We're expecting a move in this market and participating, by the way. So we're going to get into the details. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new, we explore price action and price action only. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts here, shall we? So today's August the 6th, 2021, and the current price of NEO, $43.75, fluctuating, slightly negative, 4.0% for the day. Okay, all right, guys. Again, welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. I forgot to write the lines, but here's the consolidation range. Hope you guys are doing well out there, okay? All right, so basically the lower range here, okay, not support, guys. $38 is going to be right down here. Let's go ahead and write that on the screen there, okay. So yeah, it's just it's consolidating within this range. It's actually been consolidating ever since November 2020. And it's pending a breakout. Right now, the sellers are obviously still have like one leg up on the buyers, so to speak. I'm going to explain why I say that here in a second. This doesn't mean that the market is about to get bearish. I actually seen a kind of a bearish video on you. I'm like, no, it's probably time to get bullish. But let me just go over a few things. So the weekly candle setups are here. All right, so hopefully let's just kind of back out to make sure we're all on the same page. If you have interest in technical analysis, of course, you should be aware that the NEO market is in an overall uptrend. More like kind of a blast off out of a consolidation, but let's just say it's in an overall uptrend. Stop being so technical, right? Up, high, up, higher, high, and it just went down and made a lower low than the previous low here at about $40. I'm just kind of going over the technicals, guys, but the meat of this video, let's just get to that, right? Okay. So the NEO market made a high of reaching as high as $64. So that's really crystal clear, right? I can't make that up. $64, yes. And remember, for an uptrend, you know what to look for, right? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure we're all on the same page. And of course, you got this low here, all right, that it's at about $32. And right now, the NEO market just made a lower high. So it's really simple. As long as the NEO market is staying above this level right here at about $38 within this consolidation range, it's likely it will test or break through the previous swing high. This is just a previous swing high, okay? When I say swing high, that just means that, you know, that what just took place as of recently here, like the previous swing high, the previous swing low. So the swing low would be down here at about 32, okay? Did I say the swing high, the number? It's going to be $50 right there. So that's the previous swing high. All right, pardon me. So what we're looking for is again, like $38. Well, you have to give the NEO market a good, let's give it a good 3 weeks. Now, that's actually kind of contradicting to what I'm seeing in the higher time frames, because if you pull up your monthly candles, the sellers just put a big sell order in this market, guys. We'll probably leave that for another video. But right now, I'm actually seeing a potential move to the upside. A conservative price target of about $48 in the NEO market. Let's give it a full 30 days. Remember the lows, okay? If the market is respecting the lows at about 38, then yes, that should come to fruition. Again, as a conservative price target, $48, 30 days. Hopefully, you guys can do something with that information, but that's pretty much all I have, guys. The NEO market just made a lower high, so it has to protect these lows, okay? Just to make a higher low, okay? That's what we look for, higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend, by the way. All right, so if you can kind of see, right, the high, we already know this, but just go one more time, we'll close it out. Higher low and a potential higher low, then naturally the market will seek a higher high than the previous swing high at $50. But it could reach as high as like 55. But in closing here, let's just make sure we summarize everything. $38, guys. If you're looking to enter this market, I can't tell you what to do, but if I were to participate here, which I am interested soon, not yet, the swing low about like the closer we get down to like $39, $40, I would somewhat scale into my position, scale in, have a strategy. My go-to strategy is my 5-to-1 strategy. Let's just say $5,000. I'd start with $1,000, and if that $1,000 is going well, I'd enter another position if it goes back down near my entry, if that makes sense. So I'd be totally invested 2,000 out of 5,000. And again, you have to understand, you have to study the ebbs and the flows, guys. Whether it's candlesticks or lines, just have an understanding of the the fluctuations. This way, as you're entering, you have a better idea of how much to enter of your total position, not your portfolio. Okay, to scale into your total position to ride the wave up. If you're long-term investing, please kindly ignore all these levels, because of course you're just riding the wave as the market goes substantially higher. I think people have price target of like $100 and stuff like that. I'm not sure if that's going to come to fruition. I don't see why it wouldn't, right? It's an EV company, and that's pretty much it, guys. So you have everything, guys. Closer gets to 38. I'd scale in that 1/5 strategy, and of course play it to the upside. $48 I'm seeing, less than 30 days. I don't see why that would be an issue. Do a quick percentage from the current level up to 48. Okay, remember, if you're long-term investing, I typically talk to my swing players, so I'm just kind of giving them some info. Okay, if you don't mind there, if that's okay with you there. All right, it's about 10% to the upside. All right, so just have a strategy, guys, and that's all I have. Our next video is going to be a little bit geared more towards the bearish scenario. I'm actually seeing some signs in the chart that that is not ideal for me. Okay, let's make sure our terminology is good. All right, so but I'm not gonna come in on a slightly down day saying bearish targets. No, I don't do that, guys. All right, I typically don't. I try not to. All right, so Neo's looking bullish. You have the levels, the blueprint. Hopefully you have that. Rewind it back. Very powerful information. We'll cut out the video, guys. Thank you for your time. Go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. If you're new, we also covered the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So kindly subscribe to the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. All right. So again, guys, continue to keep that that positive energy going. Okay. Execute your strategies out there. Always be kind. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.